Hi, let me show how to move SAP objects which are there in package to GitHub. For that, we need to know the objects which are there, how many objects which are there in our package. We are going to SC03 transaction. There you can find there is a include objects in TR. Double click that. After that, we need to specify our package name. Here it will show that that package consists of how many objects. Here it is only three objects. Let's move these two objects to GitHub. For that, we need to go to SE30 transaction. Then there is a standard code abapGit underscore standalone. Execute this report. After going here, you will find this screen. Here there is new online and new offline. We are moving through remote mode. For that, we need to go to new online. Here we need to specify GitHub repository URL, as it is shown in previous videos how to create a repo and how to create GitHub account. Let me go to GitHub now. Here I already have created my demo GitHub account, and here I have created repo also. Here, after clicking on this code, we will get the URL for this repo. Copy this URL, go to Git repository URL, paste here, and here we need to specify our package name, which are having objects. After specifying here, we can see here branch. If you want to move to specific branch, we need to mention here. As I am moving directly to repo, I am not mentioning anything. Here display name, here we can give any name like zdemo or something. And here we don't have any sub packages. I am not mentioning all this. After that, here create online repo. Click on that. There it will ask your GitHub credentials. I mean user ID and password. Provide your user ID and password. After that, we will get here this screen. These three are my objects which are having in this package. I need to push. I mean I need to stage these objects to GitHub account. For that, there is an option called stage. Click on this stage. Here we can add only single object. I mean we can add only one objects, or you can add all objects at a time and commit. Click on that. Here it will ask comment any. You can give anything. And if you come down, if you scroll down, it will ask for commit. Click on that. See here, you can see a message commit was successful. Now we'll go to our repository, GitHub repository, and we'll check whether our objects are uploaded here or not. Once I will refresh, see here there is a one folder src. These are the objects which I staged from SAP to GitHub. If you open this, see, this is the sample code I have written in SAP. That's it. Thank you.